Hi, today's a very exciting day for me because I've just had a delivery. This is the brand new 2020 HP Spectre x360 15-inch. Apparently looks more like a 14-inch, and I am unboxing for the first time. So I'm just so excited about it. I thought I would share with the rest of the UK. Ooh. It's like my birthday. It's not my birthday, but might as well be. It's already covered in my fingerprints. And it is, what do they call that? Dark ash black or something, and rose gold. That's what the box looks like, and I am pretty sure it's in keeping with the theme of the colours of the laptop. And it comes with a little sleeve. I hope this is recording because you only get to do this once. Not leather, good for vegans. So we have, doing all the boring bits first. Power. Oh, the pen. So there's the power lead. So I did quite a lot of research before I settled on the HP Spectre. Well, not a lot of research. It was kind of a toss-up between that one or the Dell XPS. That's what I'd narrowed it down to. In the end, I did settle on this one because, well, price for one reason, and secondly, it's such a beautiful laptop. So pretty. So there's my pen. But it's just a little pen, which comes, I was going to say free with it. It doesn't come free. This thing costs a fortune, but it's not extra. It comes included. Whereas the Dell XPS, I think it's an extra 90 or 100 quid or something for that. So, yeah, price. Also the fact that this is a brand new to May 2020. I actually bought this about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and it turned out that they weren't actually ready to be dispatched, so I've had to wait a little while. And I think I'm probably one of the first to have received one of these in the UK, which is why I thought I would do you a little unboxing video. Because when I was looking to buy one of these, this kind of video would have helped me. So taking my time, gonna make these experiences last. Oh my, still in its shiny wrapper. Oh. Setup instructions. And we have, just going to set this down. I will come back to it, of course. It's the most important part. So in the box, some people love seeing inside boxes. But if you do settle on buying one of these, I spoilt it for you. You know, every little nook and cranny. It's empty. Here we go. Oh, I feel like once I do this, it's not brand new anymore. It went onto the HP online shop, and there was 2 choices at the time when I was looking anyway for the 15-inch. That was 1 terabyte SSD with 16 gig of memory, or the 512, which is what I've gone for. So the difference between this model and the slightly more expensive one is the screen. You are getting an AMOLED screen on the dearer one, and you're getting twice as much storage. However, to save me 300 quid, I've gone for this one, and I'm quite happy with that. I'll just use an external hard drive if I need more space. It's the same amount of memory in both. Obviously the same sort of processor and all the rest. This is 10th generation i7, 6 cores, and the newer, one of the highly raved about features on this is that there's much more screen space on this. So I'll hold this up for you. Once this is switched on, you won't have the same with the 2019 and earlier models. They had like quite a big bar of empty space at the top and the bottom, so therefore their laptops had to be bigger. So this is a 15-inch, but looks and feels more like a 14-inch with the same amount of screen space. So it is absolutely beautiful. If you've done any research, you will know this is a 2-in-1, which means you can flip the whole thing round and it makes it like a tablet. So you'll use your pen like so. Once I've switched this on and got myself familiar with it, I'll maybe come back on and show you a few things. I was going to say like and subscribe and share my video, but I'm not actually a YouTuber. I just got really excited about unboxing my new laptop. So, and I wanted to share it with the rest of the UK. I waited quite a while for this. I think they are coming in stock more regularly now, so you should be able to get one within 48 hours if they do have them, and you won't have to wait as long as me. And if you've been undecided about whether to buy one or not, perhaps this has helped you, I don't know. Thanks for watching.
Hi there. I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.